Okay. Connect to the USB cable. The button is red. We press the white button to become green. The two arrows are matching. Here, we press microscribe. Ho fatto di sbagliato, cosa c'è ora? Ok, we press it again. No. To verify that here we have these coordinates, 74 around minus 395. Then it's not necessary, but it's better to check if the origin is well defined. So what we do, we place the plate, we close the gripper, then we go in the origin and we check if here we have 0, 0, 0 on, then we go on XX, it should be around 200, 0, 0, and on XY here that is 0, almost 100, 0. If it's not, it means that it's necessary to redefine the origin system for the roughing robot. So what we have to do, first of all, we go here and we press delete, and here
for 5 seconds until the orange bottom is off.
And in fact here you will see everything white. Then selector on the left position, that is origin, and we press this button while is on origin. Then selector in the medium position, that is XX, we go here and we press, and then XY here and we press. Now it's yellow because it means that the origin has been defined. In fact, if I go on origin again, I have 0, 0, 0. Okay, now we take out and we place the uppers to be digitized. Place the gripper, close. Then the first thing to digitize is the profile. So the selector has to be turned on X, Y, Z. We start with the pen. Usually we start almost a little bit on the right, from the middle, and we press cycle start. Now we are starting acquiring the points, following the line. Okay.
Here we see the number of points increasing.
Ah, 60 punti lo fa. Here is important to overlap what we have already done. So we go till here, more or less. Then we press again the green button to stop and then save. The calculation will start and you have to wait till when you have a good result. Now, okay, we confirm. Okay. Now we have to acquire the angle, so I turn the selector on RY. And with the pen, we imagine to follow the inclination of the tool while roughing. So again, when you are ready, we press the cycle start, the green button, and then we follow. For example, here the tool needs to be a lot inclined, let me say. Then we follow. un po' così. Then we overlap again, press again the green button, then save. Now the page will be open, asking you the style, that in this case is NST size, I don't remember, 10.5. No, 11 R, foot left, save. Now if you would like to check the programs, actually we need to exit. We go here to Roughing Programs, and here we find the program that you have for just Digitize, that is this one.
Dopo si prova la trasmissione, vado avanti.
Alright, continue. So now what we can do is, okay, we have the possibility to modify the points by PC. So following each point we have all the coordinates. We suggest to test it at least one time with the robot. So we need to place the last on the pallet directly on the roughing island and then transferring the program to the robot. Metti un po' pause. We take our last, in this case is a left foot, we place its position on the pallet. We have to select the rail number 2 and you close the gripper. The pallet will raise up and fix the last like in normal production.
For right foot, you have to select rail number 1 and left foot rail number 2.
Okay. Then what we do? We close the door, robot on. We verify that the selector is on remote and we transfer the program from robot to PC. Then this button will appear. This button will move the robot to test the program. So we press this one. It says pay attention, but the robot will, because the robot is going to move. And it will reach, okay, the roughing position. Then selector on off. We open the door. I don't know, this one, both. Open, you take the fixed pendant. Vabbè, I got each.
One teach.
And then immediately you will find already the job ready to be tested. In this case, P-teach 2, because we are testing on rail 2. If it's a right foot, you will find P-teach 1. Then turn the selector on teach. Servo on. Basta.
Che devo fare?